those social enterprises helping the mothers, like without the unemployed mothers, stuff like that. So yeah, it's really important to market those kinds of businesses, because some of the buyers, they they don't initially, they are not that interested in importing products, but then when they hear different stories, it's ano na, parang it pushes them, and it inspires them to, yeah, to
I
import from
think we have
us.
other
Can
questions.
Yes, we have other questions. Can
yeah.
you please
So
at least, yeah, there.
when did
Where
Assistance for docs and transfer. Do you have programs for that?
Yes, we do. So actually, in our dashboard of services, when you log on to the One Export website, you can actually request the export documentation that you will need. So typically, from our experience, it will take companies anywhere from 20 different sets of documents, depending on the type of product you are exporting, to become fully government compliant. So One Export is a one-stop shop. We can advise you as to what these documents are. But and we can also and we can help you procure the necessary documentation and walk you through the regulatory framework. There's absolutely no obligation to go through us once we advise you through our export consultation. But what we can assure you is that we have the expertise to be able to do so. So yes, it's really hard to be able to tell you offhand what all the documents are, because we really need to see what your product is and where you're thinking of going, because that will determine what the documents you need are.
Yeah, so if you're interested in exporting, we highly encourage you to register first, and then you can we're very hands-on to our suppliers, so we can set up like a one-on-one meeting for you, of course, to help you understand the business better. And then after that, we also require you to upload your products. That way we can evaluate you better.
Yes.
So we'll know the exactly what the requirements are. Yeah.
Uh, that's
Okay,
Uh,
so we have Miss Rosalie Imperial. I hope you can actually chat your question. Type in your question in the chat box, ma'am. Should you have other questions?
yes. I think we have other questions here.
Yeah, another question there.
Would it be considered exporting if we import products from AliExpress and rebrand it before exporting to another country? So one is that if you do decide to go through this route, one is that I'd be very wary of course